So today I'm going to share exactly what my blog has made over the last 3 months through ad income, which is the only way right now that I am monetizing my website. I don't get any affiliate income or anything else. This is strictly from ads, which I made a big change in November. In September and October, I was with Mediavine, who I'd been with for over a year, maybe close to 2 years. And then November, I made a big decision to switch over to Raptive. My traffic grew high enough to get into their program, and thanks to one of you, you guys mentioned that they might be worth checking out, and I liked what I saw, and it looks like I have the potential to make a little bit more. So we'll see what happens. I'll update you guys after I've been with them for another month or two. But today I'm going to share with you September, October, and November. So I'm Megan. I run electricmommy.com, which is a recipe and motherhood blog, mostly recipes right now. And here on YouTube, I just share kind of the behind the scenes of running it. It's my baby, but I love helping other bloggers and just being transparent about my own experience. So be sure to subscribe just for, a lot of blogging knowledge and information that I'm sharing for free. I'm not trying to sell any courses or anything. I'm just really trying to help other bloggers out there by sharing what I've learned and hopefully learning some things from you guys as well. I always respond to all the comments. I love talking to you down in the comments and learning from you just as much as hopefully I'm helping you guys learn. So let's get into the numbers. So let's start with September. September was my highest month as far as, income and page views. So I ended September at 108,000 page views. And from that, I earned $4,909, which is by far my highest month this year. And it is looking like that's going to be the highest month for the year, even with October, November, and December factored in. And to be honest, I'm not super sure why that's so high in September. Usually November is my highest month. I looked into my page views. Nothing really stands out. I did have one that was getting a lot of traffic through Google. So I don't know if that was part of it. It's a really, really old recipe from almost 8 years ago. So not sure what happened. That definitely might have played a factor, but just in general, the rest of the traffic was pretty diverse as far as page views. So in October, that's when things have started to go down. If you saw my last video, I think Pinterest is a big problem for me. My traffic over there is slowly going down. Well, not slowly, it's going down fairly quickly, quicker than I've ever seen in, the whole time that I've been using it. But either way, October, I ended at 86,000 page views, which translated to $3,169. Again, that was with Mediavine. That is just through ad income. Again, I'm not really monetizing any other way yet. Hopefully that will change in the future. And that is my last full month with Mediavine. November is when I make the switch to Raptive, which happened around November 20th. So let me go ahead and show you the numbers for November. So November took even more of a dip, which, like I said, is kind of weird for my blog. Usually that's the highest, but I ended at 70,000 page views for November. And my income for that month was $3,829. So a little bit higher than October, but this is the month where I switched from Mediavine to Raptive. So the first 3 weeks were Mediavine income, and the last week was through Raptive. So of course, I'm grateful that the website is making money. I very much remember, being with Google AdSense in the beginning and just being really happy when I hit like $100. So these numbers are great, but they are not going up as fast as I would like them to. I've been hovering right around 3,000 right now for my monthly income, and just can't seem to kind of break through and increase that. And again, like I shared, my numbers are slightly going down when this is a quarter and these are months they should be at their highest. Some things that I've been doing, I'm trying to refresh some old posts, just going in and working on the SEO and updating some images to kind of bring some more traffic to some of those. I'm also just trying to be more aware and be more mindful of trying to put out seasonal recipes, doing a little bit more as far as what's trending for, the month that I'm going to publish them. Most of the time, I was just sharing recipes that I truly was eating and making for my family and just kind of winging it as far as what I was making. When I was doing the post, I always had SEO in mind, and I, did a lot as far as my Pinterest strategy, but I wasn't really paying attention to seasonal trends. So I am starting to do that. Just 2 things that I'm hoping will help kind of break through and get me a little bit more traffic. But of course, we're going into quarter one, which is usually one of the lower quarters as far as traffic and earnings. So we'll see. I'm just going to keep working hard on different strategies to do whatever I can to drive more traffic. I'm working on another platform, Lemonade, sharing my content over there while I'm, having issues with Pinterest, which I'm working on a video for you guys just to give you kind of an in-depth video or show you how I'm using it specifically to try to get traffic over there. It's very similar to Pinterest, but there are some differences. So I'll share that in the next video. And again, in a couple months, I'll give you an update on how Raptive is going. If I like them better than Mediavine, or, if I'm going to switch back to Mediavine, because that is an option. Either way, I will update you on that. If you like these earning income videos, help me with a like on them. That just shows me that, I should keep sharing these. And if you feel comfortable letting me know how your blog is doing, how does quarter four look? Has it been good for you? Has it been strong? Talk to me about anything in the comments. Ask me any questions. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.